This is a love reading for you, Aquarius, for July to August. In this love reading, I'm going to do a heart shaped spread and take out the cards for you and your love interest. So, in this reading, please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate as it is with all Aquarius, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring? What is the strength and challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about each other, about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the tarot reading? So, it's quite possible the two of you, Aquarius, you and your partner, have not met for a long time. The two of you may have been away, or you both may be staying at a different place, because I'm just seeing that the two of you have not met in a long time, and it's just how things are. It's quite possible that, Aquarius, you find your partner very, very controlling and way too interfering with your life, and you are a bit too freewheeling or very, very free with your decisions, and you don't like being asked too many questions. So, this is the energy of someone who's asking you maybe 50 questions in a day: where you went, what did you eat, who did you go out with, and you don't like these kind of intrusion, or you don't like being asked so many questions. So I'm just saying is the two of you may be staying separately for either work reasons or just how the setup may be for some time, but the two of you have not met in a while. So it's possible that, Aquarius, you may be avoiding your partner because of their very nosy nature. Also, when I'm seeing this guidance, it's telling me you want to end something, not necessarily this relationship, but I'm seeing that you want to end something and it's not coming to an end. You're unsuccessful in making a certain ending. So, I don't know what's going on with the love situation, and it's looking more like it has to do with the work situation, or maybe a certain rental agreement, or maybe some house that you're trying to sell, because you see, you're not looking at your partner. So it's not looking like it is with the partner that you're looking for an ending, but it could very well be with the partner also. But a certain ending is not happening despite you trying it. So you are struggling in your situation, Aquarius, and the two of you are meanwhile little bit away. If you are a partner to the Aquarius and this reading is resonates with you, I'm just seeing that you need to little bit ease down. You need to relax a bit and just give your nerves a bit of easy time, because you're just riding too high with lot of insecurity, anxiousness about the relationship, or how the relationship is moving, what is going to come next. This kind of anxiety can drive the Aquarius away. You have to be in a better control of things, and sometimes you're saying things which you don't mean, or you don't intend to go very far, but then they are hurting the Aquarius. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring, Aquarius, and your partner brings? It's quite possible, Aquarius, you may have told your partner that you don't believe in marriage, and you believe that the two of you can be together for a very long time, and it's okay to be not married. So you seem to have a very unorthodox views about being married or having kids, or taking things, making things permanent in some way. So when I'm seeing this card, it's telling me you don't believe in doing things the way society puts a pressure on you. So some of you like to take your free time and just follow your heart, then feel very bound by society that this is the next level in the relationship, now you should move forward like this or move forward like that. So you are not someone who will take a pressure from society on how to do things. Now, what is the strength and challenges your partner brings? Your partner is very happy, internally, even though you may be bothersome, coming across as very bothersome and nagging and asking too many questions. When I see this guidance, it's telling me you're very innocent at heart, and there is a certain naivety to you. You're amazingly naive despite being grown up or a mature the way you are, but there is a certain naivety or naiveness to you. Also, some of you are truly very, very interested in keeping a very meaningful and a real relationship with the Aquarius. So, some of you don't want to play the game, or don't want to be fooled, or don't want to be taken for a ride, and you're very real emotionally. So, you would like smallest of things to be told to you. So, the way the card was looking, it looked like you are this controlling monster, but you're just someone who's very, very, very interested in keeping the relationship very real, and you don't want to be taken for granted or taken for a ride. So you do ask a lot of questions, but there is a lot of love and happiness at the root of your heart. So you truly are a gem of a person, and very genuine and a real person. So your question shouldn't hurt, but looks like maybe it's still hurting. So Aquarius, you could understand your partner a bit more, or the partner could soften this energy when you are talking or asking questions. Very, very genuine and a real person your partner is, Aquarius. Very gentle also. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? The good part is you do see your partner as someone very, very successful. It's quite possible you are dating someone who is a certain important figure, either in movie business or in some music industry. In their own way, he or she is a certain celebrity or a personality, and you do see this your partner as very, very happy-go-lucky person and very freewheeling. So he or she may be asking you a lot of questions or has a lot to say, but your impression about your partner is just great. As I said, this card did not look like it was you trying to end the relationship in some way. So it was truly to do something with your work wise, because when I see what is the impression you have with your partner, about your partner, this is like you feel life is a celebration. You have the most happiest, gifted, loved partner you could get. So you have a great impression about your partner, and you truly like how happy your partner can be, and he loves to travel. He or she could be traveling a lot, and is just doesn't judge anybody, is just very, very freewheeling and a nice person. You have a great impression about your partner, Aquarius. So how does your partner see you? Your partner sees you, Aquarius, as someone who needs to take a rest. You are not doing well in on many fronts. You are not doing well in the way work needs to be done, or some things that need to happen. You are also not doing your regular things which are routinely very well. So your partner sees you as you're trying to do way too much too quickly, and you just need to go a bit easy and just take some days off. This could be the reason your partner could be nagging you also, that come down, stay over for few days, take a holiday. And it's quite possible, Aquarius, for whatever reason you are either not taking a holiday, you are not able to take a holiday because something that you're trying to finish up is just not finishing up. So your partner wants you to take a holiday, rest and relax, and maybe just go spend time with your partner. But right now you're not doing that. So your impression your partner has about you is you're overworked, or you're just stressing too much about smallest of things in life. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner, and what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you? Aquarius, you feel your partner can play with the words, that he or she can say the most wrong thing or mean things and then act cute and say, oh, I didn't mean it, I was just saying this and not saying that. So you feel your partner can play up or change the tone or what was said just to then look right or to fit into a certain situation. You feel your partner can be very crafty with their language, and you feel he or she could trick you in the future. So some of you who are a partner to the Aquarius, I'm seeing this energy worrying Aquarius in the future also, where you unnecessarily keep talking, asking undue questions, and it looks like you're needy, you're insecure, when you're very childlike and truly you just want to have a very real love connection. So you want to play down this energy. Don't ask so many questions that it pisses the Aquarius off. And so that Aquarius is also not worried about the future with you, that you could play a bit mean or say the most wrong thing and then act cute. So this is what is bothering Aquarius about the future with you, or how the relationship is progressing. You see, Aquarius, the future with Aquarius as something what the whole world knows or the whole town knows. You feel Aquarius doesn't keep any secrets, or that when you tell a secret to your Aquarius, the Aquarius goes and tells to 20 people and says, this is the secret told by my partner to me, and let's just keep it a secret. So I don't know if Aquarius doesn't understand it, but you feel that none of your plans are private and everything very quickly goes out, and whatever future plans you may both make, within no time people are into it or are advising you or telling you how to go about it. It's just how the Aquarius is, loves to talk, doesn't like to doesn't know how to keep things under wraps or hidden. And all your future plans are also known to your friends and family thanks to Aquarius. Now, what is the past you're coming from, Aquarius, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You're a very successful person, Aquarius. I'm seeing is you've tasted a lot of success. You've had a very good ride, and whatever business or work you are doing, you had aced it or you had done it very well. So I'm seeing you coming from a place of lot of success and money, and just lot of happiness and just feeling good and great about life. Your partner is coming from the past of a certain regret that he or she is not traveled a lot, or they missed their opportunity to travel the world or go solo someplace. So while I see this energy of your partner doing lot of travel and being very happy, your partner still feels he or she could have done way more travel. So even though a lot of people may be saying your partner travels a lot or has been to a lot of places, your partner still feels he or she is not traveled enough or been to a lot of places. So it's just how the guidance is. So let us see how's the overall guidance for the love reading. Okay. When I see this card, it's telling me because you did not take rest, you got forced to take rest. And there is a lot coming unknown to you, which is going to take a certain toll. So this relationship is going to undergo a lot of exhaustion for some reason. And I see the two of you just falling flat or just resting or giving each other a time out. The reason is this person did not take leave or is not taking rest out of choice, but has just fallen flat because of what has happened to this person. So the way the things are going, the two of you may just take a break from the relationship for some time or from each other. There will be a time of time out, or let's just give each other a bit of a silent treatment, because I'm seeing a certain exhaustion. I'm seeing a certain I can't talk right now, I'm unable to talk right now kind of energy. So this is just how relationships are. It's ups and downs that a couple or two people together go through. So it is a bit of downtime which is coming along, and you both can tide over it very well, because Aquarius, you seem to be very truly in love with your partner, and you will hold it together, and your partner is very real and genuine in the relationship. But the two of you may go through, or this relationship may go through a bit of exhaustion, and you both may just take a time out.